So today I'm going to show you how to install the Google Chrome browser on any laptop or PC and help you get it set up right away. So to get started, open your current browser. This could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or anything you have installed. I will be using Microsoft Edge. Then you need to go to the official Chrome download page by typing google.com-Chrome in the address bar. Once the page loads, click Download Chrome. A small window will appear. Please select Accept and Install. Next, your computer will download the Chrome installer. Once it's done, open the file called chromesetup.exe. Then, the installation will begin. You just have to wait a few seconds while Chrome installs the necessary file. After the installation finishes, Chrome will open by itself. From here, you can choose to sign in with your Google account so Chrome can sync your bookmarks, history, extensions, and passwords across your devices. And that's it. You now have Google Chrome installed onto your PC and ready to use.